wonderful beings. Welcome to the sanctuary, to the alchemical sanctuary of your heart, to a place of safe haven, to a place of love and deep wisdom within your own heart, to a place of truth in your body that you feel. And just let's take a moment together to go deep into that place of love. To hold each other's hands, to trust each other, to honor each other. It's so hard in this world right now to hear each other. There's so much pain that blinds us often, and we cannot see with a clear vision what truly is at hand at this time, and how we can individually help and support the collective. I often feel that I have done this individual life and individual work of service for so long that now I am expending so much in these collective times, multi-dimensionally, doing this work, this individual work for the collective, for all women, for all men, for all children, guiding myself home so that I can also guide and support others to return home, as that's what we're all seeking, to return to the heart, to return to that place where we are loved and accepted fully, where we are seen, where we can be ourselves, where we can be who we truly are. So take a moment to tune into your heart in that energy and frequency of love, of divine love, the highest frequency of divine love. canceling each other out of our lives. We need to just continue. You continue on your path of the heart. You continue serving your mission and your vision, that it's in your body, your uniqueness. You don't need to be like anybody else. Please, can we please bring our most wild selves, our most unique, authentic, genuine expression of our voice, of our song, of our words. Can we please be weird and crazy in the way that we are not, but we are guided divinely, and enjoy and have fun and transmute the pain of each other's hearts. How can we transmute that pain? How can we feel it and honor it all? Truly honor this pain of the world, the pain of the mothers, the pain of the fathers, the pain of the children. How can we transmute that through our work, through the way we show up and create healing on little tiny levels with each other, one-on-one, offering whatever we're inspired, and to not hold back and to not be afraid, to share your heart, to share what you deeply are passionate about. Trusting in the heart, in the guidance. Allowing the mind to return to the heart and to merge together. This is a beautiful mudra. It's called Vajra Pradana, unshakable trust, the unshakable trust mudra. It's a gesture that connects you to that unshakable trust within your own self, to trust your own path, your own vision, to trust what you see, no doubt, to have that vision within, to see yourself to speak, to see yourself to sing, to dance, to do what you need to do, to see yourself stand up and rise and trust that you can, and the divine will speak through you and move through you and show up for you. And in this way we embrace the whole world and we serve the collective. We serve the collective together by uniting and reuniting all of us together. Hey, my loves, thank you for being here. Yes. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Hey, Britta, Sven, Led Robster, I love you guys so much. As above, so below, mind and hearts, and the sovereign center that has this energy, a holy sovereign center. Can we show up for each other, with each other, fully, authentically, please? Please. And thank you. And many blessings. Thank you for joining my sanctuary today. Sending you all so much love. Blessed be, blessed be, blessed be. And so it is.